Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, August 28th, 2026.
We'll start this week's episode with a little flashback to last Friday night and our first home football game of the year. Before kickoff, more than 200 staff members and their families got the night started with the first annual staff tailgate. Then it was time for Friday Night Lights. Our students and staff showed up in their red and blue, and the stands were packed with Griffin pride, including our future Griffins, who joined the fun in special shirts representing all of our elementary schools. From the tailgate to the student section to a packed house of families and fans, the energy on campus was incredible, and we were so glad to have our first home game, and what a way to kick off the football season. And on to this week, we held our very first board meeting of the new school year, where our newly appointed student board representative, Emma Jimenez, delivered her first board report. She had plenty of support in the audience, with a sea of her ASB teammates coming out to cheer her on. Emma shared some of the exciting events, accomplishments, and activities already happening at Los Alamitos High School this year, and we're excited to have her voice at the board table this year. Speaking of our Griffins, Griffins United got a little competitive at lunch this week. As part of their latest challenge, students and staff teamed up for potato sack races, earning points for their Griffins United teams. It was the blue team in this round of games who added a few more points to their scoreboard. And from potato sacks to fire hoses, our students found another way to beat the heat this week. Students in our fire tech pathway at Los Alamitos High School got their first turn on the fire hose, putting what they've learned in the classroom into action. This is just one example of how our amazing CTE programs connect classroom learning with real-world experiences, giving students hands-on skills they can carry into their future careers. And in middle school news, it was the parents' turn to head back to class. Families at Oak and McAuliffe got the full back-to-school night experience, following their student schedules and getting a look at what life is like on our campuses. And there was an extra special stop along the way, a taste from our amazing food services team. Families sampled some of the fresh food that is being served to our students this year. And finally, in elementary news, Superintendent Dr. Pulver stopped by Weaver Elementary to spend some time with our whales. Now, just a month into the school year, students are already well into learning, building foundational skills, collaborating with classmates, asking questions, and putting new concepts into practice across grade levels. Dr. Pulver had the chance to visit classrooms, talk with students and teachers, and get a first-hand look at the learning taking place from preschool through 5th grade. And that's a wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.